YouTube video in the Abarth 595. I just thought, seeing as things are a bit weird at the moment in terms of content that's being created as well as just the time we're living in, I wanted to jump on here, take the car out for an essential shop, and in the meantime just quickly make a video just talking about a few things that have been done to the car since the cameras haven't been rolling. And they've not been rolling for quite a while, to be honest. I've not been great with uploading schedules or having one at all. The main purpose of this video though isn't to really talk too much about the car as a whole. If you want any specific content about living with an Abarth, anything about costs, whatever, then let me know that as well. But this one is just about the modifications that I've done so far. So I'm gonna jump into this in a second. We'll hop out of the car somewhere quiet that I know of, that I can quickly just show you the modifications on the exterior, maybe some in the interior, who knows where they are, you'll have to keep watching. But yeah, we'll do that on the way and then we'll continue the trip. To go get groceries, this is what content has come to in 2020. Great. So it wouldn't really be a modifications video if I wasn't to show you the modifications that I'm talking about. So I'm just going to spin the camera around and talk you through what you've already seen in the B-roll. So the first thing you can probably see is the tyre writing done on all four corners of the car on the Pirellis. So this is actually what's written on the tyre. It's just been gone over in white marker paint. So if anyone's asking, this is what I've used. Got it off Amazon. It's very cheap, very quick and easy. I just wanted to see what it would look like, and obviously at this time everyone's got a lot of free time, so I thought, why not? I can tell you it takes forever because the picture I'll overlay now shows how it was done, hand stenciling it out. So if there's an easier way, let me know. I'm an idiot in the comments. Otherwise, with this, I probably would just go for the glue-on ones in the future. This was just more of a test and I think it looks good. So for this one, I'm just gonna point the camera away from the interior. You'll see what I mean in a second. There's a specific reason for that, but with this, it's the plate. So if you can see on the car, it's fallen off at the moment, or temporarily. The reason it's not on the front of the car at the moment is a simple story. It's a bit of a long one though, from when I picked it up originally. So as you can see, it's got holes drilled into it. These were in fact drilled into the bumper, and when I picked the car up, it was raining, the car had been left outside, so I couldn't see smaller details in the paintwork. When I actually got it home, got it dried off, looked at the car, this plate, so it wasn't fully centered, it was more to the right or the left, whichever way you're looking at it, and there was actually a hole visible on the paintwork even with the plate fitted. So I got in contact with the dealership. They're happy to organize this repair with myself, so I got all the holes filled. They've been resprayed, so the whole bumper looks brand new. And then obviously with this being metal, they didn't want it to scratch the fresh paintwork when it was done, and since then I just haven't had the chance to get a smaller one fitted, but that is actually the plan. So with this one, I won't be replacing it exactly, but the plan is to get something smaller just to go in the center there. Now onto the interior, because there's stuff in the boot actually that will lead us onto that. So I'm just going to put this in here for a second. So yeah, coming around with this, to be honest, I don't know why I'm being secretive. You've probably already seen it in the B-roll, but this is what has been done to the interior now. So I've got a full carbon dashboard to go with, well, to go with all the original carbon fiber that the car came with from factory. So this is how I've actually always wanted my dream Abarth to look, and I'm very happy with the result. It's perfect to me. When I say perfect. So before I explain anything, I just want to stress it's nothing to do with the product. The guys at TMC Motorsport and Koshi Group have been really helpful, and they're actually trying to sort out and help me out with the mess that I've made of it, because it's not meant to be fitted by someone who's bored in lockdown. It's actually meant to be fitted by a professional who knows what they're doing. So I fitted the part myself, and for the most part it looks great, it looks fine. The only thing is these three buttons don't fully work. So it's just the lineup isn't 100%, and that would have been taken care of by someone who knew what they're doing. I didn't, so now I'm permanently stuck in sport mode, which you'd argue isn't a problem. It's not, but just to have it all looking 100%, I will get it removed and it'll be fitted professionally, along with one other item that they've thankfully sent me over. Okay, so trying not to show any addresses, this is another delivery that came from them quite recently actually. 2 parts. Probably know where this is going. Exterior mod. So there we go. More carbon fibre coming soon to the outside of this car. It will be fitted at the same time as the part that's already on and will be coming off. So I'll get this fitted by someone who knows what they're doing very soon. Can't wait for that. Let me just show you what it'll look like. So with this, original ones are currently on like that. This is the replacement. It's got the same sort of fitting brackets as the OEM style, so it is meant for this car, and I can't wait to have it on with the black, that small offset. I just think it'll look so good with these other mods, and one more that may be coming in the future. So yeah, I just wanted to talk you through all the modifications. That's everything I've done to date. There's not much else you can do at the moment, but yeah, with me, in the long term I'll look at more serious mods, but for now it's just messing with the exterior and the interior, getting it to exactly what I wanted from the start, and it's taking shape, to be honest. The things like the tyre stickers, it was just something I've always wanted to try out, and to me it does look good. I'll keep it there for the short term, but it was always just going to be a test, because it's not a very permanent solution. You get the stick-on ones if you wanted it permanent, and with my plans for the wheels in the future, it might not go, that's all I'm going to say, so they'll probably come off and then maybe in the future come back on. Yeah, as for anything else, let me know your thoughts on the car in general at the moment, how it's looking. If you have any suggestions as a Bath owner, or anyone who just has suggestions in general, just let me know down in the comments section. I'd be keen to hear your thoughts on how it's looking so far, and anything else that may come to your mind just while watching the video. I'm going to wrap it up in a second though, just because almost at the Sainsbury's that I'm heading to. So yeah, I hope everyone is keeping safe, keeping themselves occupied, staying at home mainly. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Who knows when this is all over, but yeah, if you want to see any more of the car, I'm trapped at home with it and can go shopping, so just let me know. I'll think of some ideas as well, and we can get through this by creating some mediocre grade content together. Thanks guys. See you.